Today we're diving into some of the best Amazon cleaning tools that will make your home sparkle and shine with minimal effort. Whether you're looking to tackle tough dirt, maintain your floors, or even clean those hard-to-reach spots, these gadgets have got you covered. All the links to the products I'm featuring today are in the description down below, so make sure to check those out for more details and to grab them for your own cleaning routine. This cordless cleaning brush is a versatile cleaning tool designed to simplify household tasks with its 8 replaceable brush heads and 3 adjustable speeds. Ideal for tackling stubborn dirt in bathrooms, kitchens, or outdoor spaces, it features an adjustable and detachable long handle for hard-to-reach areas. The added voice broadcast function provides real-time feedback during cleaning, making it a user-friendly choice for a range of surfaces and cleaning needs. Here's another cordless electric scrubber kit that takes the hassle out of scrubbing tough stains and dirt. Perfect for grout, tile, shower walls, and kitchen counters, its water-resistant design ensures durability in wet conditions. With a battery-powered motor and ergonomic grip, it delivers powerful scrubbing action that's tough on grime, yet gentle on surfaces. The variety of included brush heads and pads offers a solution for every cleaning challenge, making it a must-have tool for deep cleaning. With a built-in wringer for hands-free wringing and splash-free operation, the microfiber mop head efficiently removes dirt and absorbs spills, leaving floors spotless without harsh chemicals. With 3 extra mop head refills included, it's perfect for homes with high foot traffic, offering a reliable and easy-to-use solution for keeping floors clean and fresh. This advanced window cleaning robot with a dual water spray offers an effortless way to clean windows, glass doors, and mirrors. With an impressive 2800 Pascal suction power and an anti-clogging design, it ensures thorough cleaning without leaving streaks. Featuring Edge Detection 3.0 and intelligent path planning, the robot moves efficiently across the surface, covering all areas. Ideal for high-rise buildings or hard-to-reach windows, this automated cleaner is a time-saving solution for spotless windows. This versatile cleaning tool is specifically designed for cleaning walls, baseboards, and even floors with ease. Its adjustable long handle eliminates the need for ladders or bending, allowing you to reach high or low surfaces comfortably. The mop head's dual functionality, wet and dry cleaning, ensures that dust, dirt, and stains are effectively removed, making it a reliable choice for keeping your home looking spotless and well-maintained. This deluxe steam cleaner delivers powerful, chemical-free cleaning for a variety of surfaces, including floors, counters, appliances, windows, and even vehicles. Equipped with 23 versatile accessories, it handles tough dirt, grease, and stains while being eco-friendly and safe for your home. The large water tank and extended reach make it a convenient solution for deep cleaning tasks around the house. Featuring 3 interchangeable cleaning heads and a 56-inch extendable handle, this versatile scrubber is perfect for tackling grime in bathrooms, kitchens, and beyond. The no-scratch design ensures safe cleaning on surfaces like bathtubs, tiles, walls, and sinks. Its ergonomic handle and functional heads make it a reliable tool for efficiently scrubbing hard-to-reach areas. Moving on, this innovative floor cleaning system combines a spin mop and bucket. This 2-pack scraper set comes with 100 plastic blades, making it an ideal tool for removing glue, stickers, decals, and tint from windows, glass, and other surfaces. The lightweight yet durable design provides excellent grip and precision while preventing scratches, offering a hassle-free solution for various cleaning and maintenance needs. Moving on, we have a shower squeegee set that includes a durable 12-inch squeegee, a shower door hook, and an adhesive hook for convenient storage. Designed for use on shower doors, mirrors, and windows, it effortlessly clears water and soap scum for streak-free surfaces. Its ergonomic handle and sleek design ensure easy handling and effective cleaning every time. Moving on, this portable carpet cleaner is specially designed to tackle tough stains and messes, particularly those from pets. Its powerful suction and versatile tools make it easy to clean carpets, upholstery, stairs, and car interiors. With a lightweight design and effective cleaning formula, it's the perfect solution for maintaining a fresh and spotless home. Designed for both durability and precision, this scraper tool comes with 15 extra blades to tackle various cleaning tasks. It's perfect for removing paint, glue, stickers, or other stubborn residues from glass surfaces without leaving scratches. Whether you're scraping glass-top stoves, oven doors, or windows, this tool offers a safe and effective solution. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to use for extended cleaning sessions. This high-speed electric air duster offers an impressive 180,000 RPM to handle tough cleaning jobs effortlessly. Its powerful airflow can remove dust, dirt, and debris from delicate electronics like keyboards, laptops, and gaming consoles, as well as outdoor areas with dust, rain, or snow buildup. With 3 adjustable speed settings, this duster provides customizable cleaning power for various tasks. Its cordless, rechargeable design eliminates the need for disposable air cans, making it an eco-friendly choice. Compact yet powerful, it's ideal for home, office, or outdoor use. Moving on, this versatile steam mop combines the power of rotating mop pads with the sanitizing effects of steam for a thorough clean. It's designed to remove tough dirt and grime while being safe for various surfaces, including sealed hardwood, tile, and laminate floors. The smart steam control lets you adjust the settings to match your cleaning needs, while the swivel steering ensures effortless maneuverability around furniture and tight spaces. Lightweight and easy to handle, this mop is perfect for busy households. These reusable cleaning sponges are a versatile solution for dusting and cleaning various household surfaces. Designed to tackle hard-to-reach areas, they're ideal for cleaning blinds, floorboards, fan blades, vents, glass, railings, and mirrors. The sponges effectively trap dust and debris, reducing the need for multiple passes. Their durable construction ensures long-lasting use, while their soft material protects delicate surfaces from scratches. Easy to clean and reuse, these sponges are an eco-friendly alternative to disposable cleaning tools. Keep your car's interior spotless with this innovative cleaning gel that easily picks up dust and debris from vents, buttons, and other tight spaces. Its soft, pliable texture allows it to reach areas where traditional cleaning tools can't, ensuring a deep clean without damaging delicate surfaces. Reusable and easy to store, this gel is an eco-conscious option for maintaining your vehicle. It's also great for cleaning small spaces in your home or office, such as keyboards and remote controls. This multi-function cleaning pen is designed to keep your AirPods, Bluetooth earphones, and other small gadgets in pristine condition. Equipped with a soft brush and precision tips, it easily removes dust, dirt, and grime from cases, earphone grills, and crevices. Perfect for maintaining your iPhone, camera lens, or even Lego models, this compact tool is versatile and portable. Whether for regular maintenance or detailed cleaning, it's an essential accessory for keeping your devices looking and working like new. Next up, this advanced ear cleaning tool combines safety and precision with its built-in 1080p camera and LED lights, providing a clear view of the ear canal. The spade tip ensures gentle yet effective wax removal, while multiple replacement tips cater to different needs. Designed for use on ears, nose, and throat, this innovative device doubles as an examination tool. Compact, rechargeable, and easy to use, it offers a hygienic and high-tech approach to personal care, ideal for the whole family. Keep your electronics spotless with this comprehensive cleaning kit, ideal for laptops, keyboards, tablets, and more. The included brushes and tools are designed to clean hard-to-reach areas, removing dust and debris from every corner. It's perfect for delicate surfaces like camera lenses and TVs, ensuring a scratch-free shine. Compact and lightweight, this cleaning kit is a practical companion. Tackle tough-to-reach areas with this extendable baseboard cleaner, complete with 4 reusable pads. Its long handle allows you to clean high ceilings, walls, and floor corners without bending or straining. The soft, durable pads effectively remove dust and grime, making it suitable for showers, kitchens, and bathrooms. Ergonomic and versatile, this tool simplifies your cleaning routine while ensuring a thorough and efficient clean. This microfiber spray mop is a versatile tool for maintaining spotless floors in both commercial and home settings. Equipped with a built-in sprayer, it ensures efficient cleaning with minimal water use, making it ideal for wood, hardwood, laminate, and ceramic tile surfaces. The mop comes with 3 washable and reusable microfiber pads that effectively trap dust, dirt, and grime. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it's perfect for quick cleanups or deep cleaning sessions, offering convenience and eco-friendliness in one sleek design. This cordless water dental flosser is designed for comprehensive oral care, whether at home or on the go. Featuring a 300-milliliter water tank and 4 customizable modes, it delivers a precise and refreshing clean, tailored to your needs. Its IPX7 waterproof construction ensures safe use, even in the shower, while the USB rechargeable design offers portability and convenience. This professional-grade irrigator promotes gum health and effectively removes plaque, making it a must-have for maintaining a radiant smile. This gutter cleaner makes cleaning gutters effortless by offering versatile solutions for both ground and roof-level access. This tool is designed to clean gutters from the ground with ease or tackle tougher debris directly from a ladder. It's even capable of cleaning off gutter guards without hassle, ensuring a thorough job. Sturdy and efficient, it's perfect for maintaining gutters and protecting your home from water damage. The Real Avid Pistol Cleaning Kit is an all-in-one solution for maintaining 1911 handguns and other firearms, accommodating calibers such as .22, .38, and .9. This comprehensive kit includes a 1911 bushing wrench, takedown tool, cleaning brushes, rods, patches, and a detailed field guide for easy disassembly and maintenance. Compact and practical, it's an essential accessory for gun enthusiasts seeking a clean and reliable firearm. Our next product is this toothbrush cleaner, which is an innovative accessory for maintaining hygiene in your oral care routine. Equipped with an LED smart screen, this device efficiently cleans and air dries your toothbrush, reducing bacteria buildup. The rechargeable design and wall mount option make it a sleek, space-saving addition to any bathroom. Combining practicality with advanced technology, it helps keep your toothbrush fresh and ready to use. This Pro touchless vacuum is a powerful and convenient solution for quickly eliminating dirt, dust, and pet hair. With automatic sensors and a 1400-watt motor, it offers ultra-fast suction for salons, kitchens, and other busy environments. The bagless canister and easy-to-use design make cleanup simple, while its modern, touch-free operation provides efficiency and ease for everyday messes. These Philips Norelco cleaning cartridges are designed to keep your Smart Clean system operating at peak performance, delivering a fresh, hygienic clean while lubricating and maintaining your shaver for optimal results. The advanced formula effectively removes hair, foam, and gel residue, ensuring your shaver stays fresh and ready for use. Convenient and easy to replace, they extend the life and efficiency of your grooming routine. Next up, this smart window cleaning robot is a game changer for tackling high-rise windows, tiles, and glass doors. Equipped with dual water spray systems, high suction power, and wet-dry cleaning modes, this robot delivers a spotless shine effortlessly. Its remote control functionality makes it convenient for both indoor and outdoor use, providing an efficient and safe way to handle hard-to-reach areas. Perfect for homeowners and businesses alike, it simplifies the task of window maintenance. This bed vacuum cleaner offers powerful 15 kilopascal suction and a robust 700-watt motor, ensuring deep cleaning for mattresses and upholstery. Featuring UVC light, ultrasonic, and heating technology, it effectively eliminates dust mites and allergens for a healthier sleeping environment. The built-in smart dust sensor and HEPA filter enhance its cleaning precision, while the double cup design allows for extended use without frequent emptying. This corded vacuum is a perfect addition for allergy sufferers and meticulous homemakers. Next up is this cordless electric mop, which is a versatile cleaning tool for hardwood, tile, and laminate floors. Its dual spin mop heads, water sprayer, and built-in LED headlight make cleaning efficient and thorough, even in low-light areas. Lightweight and rechargeable, this mop offers hassle-free mobility, while its powerful scrubbing action lifts dirt and grime effortlessly. Whether you're dealing with everyday spills or deep cleaning tasks, it's a reliable solution for sparkling floors. This high-suction robot vacuum cleaner is engineered to tackle pet hair, dirt, and debris with ease. Boasting 22,000 pascals of suction power, it's ideal for both carpets and hard floors, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Its square design enhances edge and corner cleaning, while smart navigation ensures efficient coverage of your home. Perfect for busy households, it simplifies daily maintenance with its powerful performance and automated convenience. Another product for your pet friends. This self-cleaning cat litter box provides a hassle-free solution for maintaining a clean environment for up to 2 cats weighing 6 to 16 pounds. Featuring an automatic scooping mechanism, it effectively separates waste from the litter into a sealed compartment. With 6 included bags and a carbon filter to reduce odors, this litter box simplifies pet care and ensures a fresher living space. Its user-friendly design makes it ideal for busy pet owners. This pet carpet cleaner solution is a powerful formula designed to eliminate tough pet stains and odors, including urine from carpets. The 64-ounce bottle delivers a tropical breeze scent, leaving your home smelling fresh. Compatible with Hoover carpet cleaner machines, this deep cleaning shampoo penetrates fibers to lift dirt and grime effectively. It's an essential choice for pet-friendly households looking to maintain spotless, odor-free carpets. Next up, this non-scratch dish wand offers a gentle yet effective scrubbing solution for dishes, kitchen surfaces, and even bathroom fixtures. Its non-scratch scrubber is safe for non-stick cookware, ensuring your delicate surfaces remain damage-free. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, while the replaceable head design makes it a cost-effective and eco-friendly cleaning tool for daily use. This refrigerator deodorizer is an innovative solution to eliminate odors and maintain freshness for up to 10 years. More effective than traditional baking soda, it uses advanced technology to neutralize unpleasant smells and improve air quality in your fridge. Compact and easy to use, it's an effortless way to keep your food storage spaces clean and odor-free, saving you from frequent replacements. Next up, we have a metal faucet glass rinser, which is a sleek and functional kitchen sink accessory that quickly cleans bottles, glasses, and mugs. Crafted from stainless steel with a brushed nickel finish, it's durable, rust-resistant, and adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Its powerful water jets ensure thorough rinsing, making it a must-have tool for anyone who values both efficiency and style in their kitchen setup. This robot vacuum cleaner is an ultra-slim, powerful cleaning solution designed to tackle pet hair, dust, and debris with ease. Equipped with 2,000 pascals of suction power, it ensures a deep clean across various floor types. With 2 brushes, 5 cleaning modes, and Wi-Fi connectivity, it allows for easy control via the dedicated app. Its efficient edge detection and slim profile make it an ideal choice for those seeking a comprehensive, hands-off cleaning experience, especially for homes with pets. Next up is an electric squeegee, which is a game changer for maintaining shiny, streak-free glass, mirrors, and countertops. Featuring powerful suction and a lightweight design, it effortlessly removes water, condensation, and grime in seconds. Whether it's cleaning shower glass, windows, or smooth surfaces, this tool simplifies maintenance and ensures a polished, professional finish every time. This smart automated AC drain line cleaning system is designed to keep your air conditioning unit running efficiently by automatically cleaning the drain lines. The system includes a 36-ounce cleaner cartridge, making it easy to maintain and prevent clogs, which can lead to costly repairs. It's a hassle-free solution that helps ensure the longevity and optimal performance of your AC system, enhancing airflow and preventing potential water damage. This ultra-quiet dog grooming vacuum offers a stress-free grooming experience for pets while eliminating up to 99% of pet hair. Equipped with a 1.85-liter dust cup and 6 grooming tools, it's designed to cater to dogs, cats, and other pets. The powerful suction helps control shedding, and its ultra-quiet operation ensures your pet feels comfortable throughout the grooming process. Whether for regular cleaning or maintaining a sleek coat, this grooming vacuum is a must-have for pet owners. This 6-pack dish brush scouring pad set offers a versatile solution for all your kitchen cleaning needs. The set includes a bottle brush, dish brush, palm scrub brush, and straw brush, making it perfect for cleaning dishes, bottles, cups, skillets, woks, pots, and cast iron cookware. Each brush features a long handle for easy grip and enhanced control, allowing for a deeper clean without straining your hands. Durable and easy to use, this set is a must-have for any kitchen. I hope you found something that'll help make your cleaning routine a little easier. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to shop for any of the products I mentioned today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome product recommendations. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!